Hello, my dear friends of symphonic brass music, and welcome on that Thursday today. I'm gonna have a client in a few minutes, hours, whatever, and I have to set up. But before I do this, I want to talk about something else I did, and I'm just walking around the studio, you know, how I do my videos. I'm just looking for stuff that I need to do. No, I don't want to talk about this Pakistani, Afghani, I don't know, sorry, Aryan, client that's coming, which is really special. This is something else I want to talk about. I need to talk about this in another video, but today I want to talk about a different continent, Africa. I have a client for now quite some time. We did several songs together, and he's from Côte d'Ivoire. He's born in Côte d'Ivoire, but he lives here in Frankfurt. So he speaks German, we speak French, we speak a mixture of German and French actually, which is quite fun. But yeah, long story short, several years ago now, I can't remember, I guess it's 3 years, 4, something like that, don't know. He asked me to write some songs, and I said, okay, can do, but I'm European, so don't expect anything African from me. And he said, well, that's fine, I want to have European-ish songs and try to bring them to my home country. So all these songs he did are quite, political or society critic. So that's the main topic about the songs. He's not the youngest of all people I've ever worked with, but that doesn't matter. That's all fine. No, so yeah, we did these 4 songs. One is a piano ballad, the others are a bit up tempo. It's all good. It's nothing fancy, nothing special. It's just some songwriting I did. And then he came back to me last year, while COVID was a thing, and asked me to do something in the style of Zouglou. So if you're like me, you have no idea what Zouglou is. So I'm going to tell you, Zouglou is a type of music, popular music, specifically played and listened to in this region of Côte d'Ivoire and what's else down there? Not Senegal. Senegal is different. Mali is something. All these regions down there. No, Mali's up. I'm bad in Africa, sorry for the geographic nonsense. But anyway, it's a music listened to at his home country. So he wanted me to do something in this style. And I said to him, well, I can try my very best, but I'm a European and I won't get it right. Totally. And he said, well, that's fine. There's nothing else he knows, so I guess I'm just the one for the job. So he sent me some YouTube links, some videos with music videos. I might put the link down in the description below because it's quite interesting to listen to, because it's really, really different, but same. It's odd. Anyway, I'm now sitting on the second song in Zouglou-ish style for this project. And it's quite interesting for me to get my head around this, and this is something I want to talk about. Sorry for the long introduction. So now I'm listening to this stuff on YouTube, on Spotify, trying to grab the essentials out of it and try to make a song that is sort of in that style. And this is quite interesting. This is really, really interesting to do because I'm now dissecting songs, trying to grab the essentials, trying to compare it with the music I wrote or what I came up with, and try to think about, is this the way they did it? And it's quite funny. Sorry, this description will be full of links. I watched a YouTube series of two guys from Canada. Or not the first name, because the series is called Simon and Greg. Who went to Senegal a few years ago and recorded bands there over a couple of months. Don't know. It's quite an interesting YouTube series and documentary sort of on YouTube. It's quite interesting if you're from a European or Western country. It's really, really interesting because it's not that far off, but it's really, really far off. All the instruments are really, really cheap. Everything is really, really, not even home recorded. But they make it work. And so now I'm listening to music where I think most of the song sounds like they're coming out of this cheap Casio keyboard. But awesome played and great ideas and great rhythms. And I try to dissect this and try to make something like it. And I know I'm just a German guy who listened to Western pop music for his whole life. So I will not be able to do it 100%, but I'm trying my very best. And I think we can get somewhere. I mean, obviously I can't show you what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna put some links to this project in the description below. I said to myself I'm not gonna talk about talk projects down, but yeah, so I'm not saying anything. Well, I think it's not the best work I ever did. I didn't match it, and I can do better. I know I can do better than these songs, and I'm now trying, and I hope I will be better. So, yeah. If you have any projects you did in something completely different, completely out of the box, and this is what I'm gonna do in a few minutes, is pretty much the same, but it's just recording and mixing, so it's not that hard. But if you have something you did totally out of the box, let me know in the comments below. I'm quite curious. Yeah, so I'm now gonna set up a mic for Southeastern music, Arabian music, and then work on something African again, and work on for a British rapper again, and work with Saskia from Arrow again, and so I'm very international these days. So I love this. I seriously love this. It's so great to work on so many different styles of music. It's untrue. Yeah, thank you very, very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.